Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience and is not financial advice. Retirement planning is a critical aspect of personal finance, focusing on securing financial stability during one's post-work years. Zacks provides a comprehensive guide outlining key considerations for effective retirement planning. This guide emphasizes the importance of starting early, highlighting the power of compounding interest over time. Even small, consistent contributions made early in your career can significantly impact your retirement nest egg. The longer your money has to grow, the greater the potential returns. The guide further delves into the various investment vehicles available for retirement savings, including 401(k)s and IRAs, explaining their respective benefits and limitations. It underscores the need to understand the tax implications associated with each option to maximize savings and minimize tax burdens during retirement. Choosing the right investment mix is also crucial, and the guide emphasizes the importance of diversifying your portfolio across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate. This diversification strategy aims to mitigate risk and potentially enhance returns. Furthermore, the Zacks guide addresses the crucial aspect of estimating retirement expenses. Understanding your anticipated living costs during retirement is paramount for determining how much you need to save. Factors such as healthcare costs, housing, travel, and leisure activities must be considered to create a realistic retirement budget. The guide also touches on the importance of periodically reviewing and adjusting your retirement plan to accommodate changes in your financial situation, lifestyle, or market conditions. Retirement planning isn't a one-time event, but rather an ongoing process that requires regular monitoring and adjustments. Finally, it emphasizes the importance of seeking professional financial advice to create a personalized retirement plan tailored to your specific needs and goals. A financial advisor can provide expert guidance on investment strategies, tax optimization, and estate planning, ensuring a smooth and secure financial transition into retirement.